friends! Today we're making a super cool volcano using things you can find at home. Are you ready?
Here's what we need: baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and some food coloring. Don't forget a big tray for the mess.
First, let's add the baking soda inside the volcano. Next, a few drops of color and soap for bubbly lava.
Now the magic part. Pour in the vinegar and watch it explode. Wow, look at that lava go.